guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you would like to see what I got in May's Ipsy bag, then you already know what to do. Just keep watching. I threw away the card that comes with it, but I think like this month's theme is like travel. So it has like little passport stamps on it. The bag is cute. So let's go ahead and get into the first product, which is a nail polish. Now I do like to get nail polishes from Ipsy. I don't polish my nails very often, but this is by a company called Deco Nail Lacquer Miami. I think it's Deco Miami. This is what the little box looks like, and I will zoom in just a couple minutes. And the color is called Namaste by the Pool, which is a really cute name. So it is, I think it's a sample size bottle, but even this will last me forever because like I said, I don't paint my nails very often. And I did paint my nails, so I did paint these yesterday. They're holding up pretty good. I haven't been to work in a couple days, so that's the true test to see how long this polish will last on my nails. But I really like it. I did do 3 coats. The bottle says to do 2 coats, which I found was kind of streaky. But 3 coats worked out really good, and I think it's a nice, fun summer color. Okay, and the next product that I have is by a company called Akar Skin Nutrient Boost Eye Serum, organic and non-toxic. So this is an eye serum. I just said that. So let's go ahead and open up the little box. It's so cute. Like, look how small this box is. Okay, so after you get it out of the packaging, it comes like in this little itty bitty jar, and it does have a little dropper handle, so you just squeeze it, pick up some product. I don't know if there's any directions. Yeah. So it says a potent eye serum for your delicate eye area, nutrient boost formulated especially to reduce puffiness, dryness, dark circles, and wrinkles. Okay, to use, place 1 drop onto fingertip and gently tap around the eye. I feel like I said that word really weird. Fingertip and gently tap around the eye. And it doesn't say whether to use it day or night or both. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little drop on my finger and just tap it around my under eye area. It does feel really oily, so I think I'll just do 1 drop for 2 eyes. I think this will probably be good like at night to apply right before bed. And then you'll have like super moisturized under eyes in the morning. And it has like a light fragrance. It kind of smells fruity, but like once you put it on your face, like I can't smell anything. But I mean, I like it. I think that it'll be super moisturizing. My under eye does get really dry. So I mean, so far so good. Okay, and then for the next product, I'm kind of going in order of how I would apply these products on my face. So this is by a company called Oryza Beauty. It's their Dewy Glow Balm for skin, lips, and nails. Developed as an all-purpose skin and lip balm with UVA and UVB filters for sun protection. It's moisturizing, protective, anti-inflammatory, and soothing for all skin types. Perfect for general use and adding a dewy glow to your makeup. So it doesn't say, it doesn't have any directions on here, but I think I was on the Ipsy website just trying to figure out what this was. So you can apply it on your skin, lips, and nails, of course. So it kind of looks like Vaseline when it comes out of the tube. So I'm just rubbing it on the back of my hand. It does feel kind of oily, but it is super moisturizing. So what I'm going to do, I didn't apply that much moisturizer to my face after I washed it today. This feels really oily. Let's go ahead and put some on our lips because it said you can use it for your lips, which it feels really nice on the lips. And there's a little bit of a smell, but I don't know what it smells like. Wow, this feels really greasy, guys. maybe if you have dry skin. And it probably didn't help that I put that like under eye, like oily serum on my under eyes. I do get dry like around my mouth, like on my chin area, so I'm going to apply more or most of it there. So the next product that I got is this eyeshadow brush from SL Miss Glam, which I've gotten plenty of their brushes in my Ipsy bags before. And you guys know I'm always down to get a brush. You can never have too many brushes. So it's their eyeshadow brush in N15. So this is what the handle looks like. It has the name and the brush name on there. And then the bristles, they are synthetic, but it's kind of like a turquoise into a purple like ombre color. So I have already primed my lids with my concealer, so I'm just going to do something super simple. So I'm taking this Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette, and I think I'm going to start off with just this cream color. I'm going to place that all over the lid with that brush. I like to try every product out in my Ipsy bag, so I mean, even though this is going to be like a super basic eye, I still wanted to use the brush. I mean, just so you can see how it performs. Okay, and I'm going to use the same brush to apply my brow bone highlight. So I'm taking that same cream color and just tapping this on the brow bone. Okay, so the brush is a yes. I always love getting brushes in my Ipsy bags. So I went ahead and put on some winged eyeliner and did all of my face makeup off camera. I will be leaving a list of all the products that I used down in the description box below. So if you are interested in what I used on my face today, definitely check out the description box. But now for the final and best product, hands down, Ipsy, you did it this month. Like, this one product like beats the whole bag. Like, if I only got this in my Ipsy bag, I would be absolutely fine. If everything came broke, if the brush had no hairs on it, that would be completely fine with me, because we got Huda Beauty lashes. What? Like, I'm just so excited. Number one, because I don't own a pair of Huda Beauty lashes. And two, these things are expensive, and your girl, I'm on a budget. I ain't got that kind of money to be spending on one pair of lashes, but I'm so excited. Like, Ipsy did the damn thing this month. So these are in the style Jade number 13, and they're the faux mink lashes, and I can officially do this. Hey, check your girl out. That looks kind of creepy. I'm just so excited for these lashes, guys. These will be beating out my little TJ Maxx lashes. One thing that I do know about these lashes, even though I've never owned a pair, is that the lash band is really thick, which I don't prefer on my lashes, because you need to wear like some type of winged eyeliner or like super dramatic makeup with these lashes in order to hide that lash band. And I usually don't wear winged eyeliner, but today I did throw some on because, I mean, I have to wear these out. So hopefully they fit and I don't have to cut much of the lash off, but I won't have to be doing the little ghetto internet hack where you take your spoolie and like brush the hell out of your brush hair or the lashes. I don't have to do that with these. Just try to get as close to my natural lash line as possible. So I always like to stick it to the middle first, and then I'll do the inner and outer corner. Okay, so the lash glue is drying, but they are just so pretty. Like, bam, 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 bam. So for May's Ipsy bag, it was definitely a hit for me just with the one product, those Huda Beauty lashes. Basically knocked every other product out of the water. I do like the blue nail polish. I think it's really fun and pretty for spring and summer. Now that beauty balm type of deal, after I let it soak into my skin, it wasn't as greasy. But if you have oily skin, probably not a product for you. If you have dry skin, this may be a thumbs up. What else did we get? So the eye serum, I love eye serums. I'll probably be using that before I go to bed at night because it was really oily. But I mean, my under eyes are really dry, so I do need some extra moisture there. And what else did we get? Oh, the brush, the SL Miss Glam brush. I love brushes. Thumbs up. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. Leave me a comment down below and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.